Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So the manufacturing date is actually shown in your device's serial number. So you can find the serial number either in BIOS or in the info menu, or you can also find it on the back cover of your laptop. And if you take a closer look at your serial number, you will see you have to check the 4th, 5th, and 6th digit of it. So as you can see, for me it's 310. The 4th digit stands for the year in which this device was manufactured, so it's the last digit of the year in which this device was manufactured. So for me it would be 2023, and 10 is the number of week in this year in which this device was manufactured. This means that my device was manufactured in the middle of the March of 2023. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.